More pests. I picked my avocado, my papaya. I didn't take them in the house. And that's to be expected. I throw those out. And I'm still sitting around here looking for worms and checking out everything. And just as I was watering my garden, and I said, I was looking at this limb right here. I said, I got a hornworm. Couldn't find him. But I can see how the leaves have been pecked through. I thought that it was a worm right, come on, a worm right there. Can you spot him? I see him. There you go. So the past couple years, I would have already had my tomatoes out the garden because I was so afraid of worms. I wasn't going to fight with no hornworms. But let's get him down and investigate all my tomatoes. I see a little bit of sun scald. Well, yeah, right there. But you definitely got to go. Hello, Nesties. I'm out probing my flowers in my garden, and I've had these for a while, but I never anticipated to find, y'all see them? Give y'all a second. Look who up in there. And I declare they must be like lizards, because whatever plant they're on, they definitely tend to fade in. And oh, I lost him. I'm sorry, guys. I don't even see him on the camera. Oh, there he go. Yeah, he living his best life. But buddy, you got to leave from over here. I got tomatoes over here.